Alright guys, we're about to install this Invidia high performance exhaust system on a 2007 Nissan 350z. Here's the part number 0298. It's an Invidia model number Nissan from 02 to 08 350z N1 exhaust. Hope you guys like the sound once it's done. Let us know. 7 Nissan 350z. This is the original exhaust on it. We're about to take it off. There's the muffler, 2 tips. About to take it off and put an Invidia high performance exhaust system. There it is in the packaging still. Let us know what you guys think. Hope you like it. Okay guys, here's the system we installed. It's called an Invidia catback exhaust. Polished stainless steel. There's the sticker on it, Invidia. Really nice system. Bolt-on system. 350z 2007. Turn it on and let you guys hear it in a second. On the stock catalytic converters. There's the first one, there's the second one. Sounds good. Sounds really good. It's a 2007 350z Nissan. Came out really nice. Dude, that sounds sick.